Welcome to How to Draw a Symbol.
Today we're going to learn how to draw a pirate ship. Let's start off by drawing the water with some swooping wave-like lines like so. Next, we'll draw a horizontal line up here that goes down and curves back up like so, but ends slightly lower than the first line. Then, another horizontal line on the other side. To finish off the deck, copy the same line below, connecting them on both ends with a short vertical line. For the back or the stern of the ship, draw a line that goes down and curves towards the middle like this. And at the front, or the bow of the ship, draw a line that curves down and to the left like so. Followed by a long pole sticking out of the front of the ship. To draw the sails, draw an angled rectangle with curved sides above the ship like so. Followed by another one just below, another one to the right, and one more here to the left. For the masts, draw two lines behind the sails, going straight down from the top of the masts and all the way to the deck, and getting slightly wider towards the bottom. Do this for the right sail, and again for the left sail. Then, draw a rectangle on top of the center mast with a pointed flagpole on top for the crow's nest. Repeat this step again for the left side, and again for the right side. To finish off the crow's nests, draw two wavy lines going from each of the flagpoles and connect them with a vertical line for the flags. To add some more detail, draw 4 circles on the hull of the ship here, and then 4 smaller circles inside of them. Lastly, to add some texture, add some very thin horizontal lines going across the ship for the wood planks. And now you've got a pirate ship.